Welcome back to this version of Miss Max Academy. Let's take a look at the 2014 Practice Exam Free Response question number 4 about piñatas. Let's take a moment, read the prompt. A piñata is a container filled with toys and candy and is broken open by hitting it with a stick. The drawing above shows Sophia trying to break a piñata. The probability that she will break the piñata on the first hit is 0.7. She will continue to hit the piñata until it breaks. If she does not break the piñata on a particular hit, the piñata is weakened and the probability that she will break it on the next hit is 0.1 greater than the probability on the previous hit. For example, if the piñata does not break on the first hit, the probability that it will break on the second hit is 0.8. Well, you know my philosophy, tree is for me. I love using tree diagrams when dealing with probability problems. It might not be your first choice, but that's what I'm going to use here. In part A, they ask us to calculate the probability that Sophia does not break the piñata on the first hit and does break the piñata on the second hit. The word "and" tells me intersection. I have some sort of intersection here going on. So I'm going to take a look at our tree diagram. Okay, so here, 0.7 is the probability that Sophia breaks the piñata on the first hit, and 0.3 would be she does not break it on the first hit. If she does not break it on the first hit, the probability that Sophia breaks it on the second hit, based on not breaking it on the first hit, is 0.8. That means the probability that she does not break it on the second hit, given that she does not break it on the first hit, would be 0.2. Okay? And just continuing along with my tree diagram, although I don't need much more for part A, so I'm just going to stay right here with my tree diagram. Okay, so calculate the probability that Sophia does not break the piñata on the first hit and does break the piñata on the second hit. So I want the probability of her not breaking it, see the tilde, not breaking it on the first hit and breaking it on the second hit. So that would be the probability of her not breaking it on the first hit, which is 0.3, we can see that right here, times the probability of her breaking it on the second hit, given that she did not break it on the first. And that number is right here. So it would be 0.3 times 0.8, which we know is 0.24. Tune in again for the next episode of Miss Max Academy.